Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotsitter, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Harmony. Polygon Network went offline for 11 hours. Here's what happened. Polygon Network, Matic, a top-tier smart contracts platform, went offline after a scheduled upgrade. Polygon, Matic, did not confirm transactions for 11 hours. Extended service outage. What happened to Polygon? Yesterday, on March 10, 2022, Polygon Network, Matic, engineers disclosed issues in Heimdall, one of the layers of its proof-of-stake, POS, design. To allow developers fix them in a safe manner, the decision was taken to stop the transactions. The team warned users about the downtime. However, the downtime lasted longer than expected. As Polygon, Matic users started heated debates on social media channels, the team issued a hotfix to let operations resume. Alongside that, team members stated that they are looking for a long-term solution to fix the issues for good. Polygonscan and Polygon Bridge instruments were shut down during the outage. As covered by You Today previously, Solana, Sol, the most popular Ethereum killer, went through a series of outages in Q4, have been a topic of discussion on the internet for a long time. However, the sudden change in its lending policy has only made the theory more prominent. Crypto lending products have been under regulatory scanner for over a year now, with several crypto firms getting a security violation notice from respective state regulators. Gemini and Celsius offered lending products that came under U.S. Securities and Exchange (SEC) investigation in January, while BlockFi was slapped with a $100 million penalty for offering unregistered crypto lending products in February. The next news, Engine Coin, Harmony Coin, IOTA price analysis, 05 March. Despite recovering from the turmoil of the Ukraine conflict, the bears seem to be influencing the market. The likes of Engine, Harmony, and IOTA give similar indications. Eng followed a downtrend since mid-February as the strength index hit rock bottom. The crisis in Ukraine was a potent factor behind the rapid sell-off. However, Eng gained critical support at the $1.19 level on 24 February, following which the coin moved up the chart. A favorable buying strength helped Eng move up to meet a resistance near the $1.56 level on 1 March. However, the bears exerted pressure. Consequently, they all breached the trend lines. Crypto investors still hope that the SEC will approve a spot-based BTC ETF one day, but data shows it has good reason not to. It is not the first time the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) rejected proposals for a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded product (ETP), but efforts continue to be made by different financial institutions. The recent attempt made by BZX Exchange on Jan. 25 to list the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust as a Bitcoin ETP has also failed. The SEC letter published on February 8 pointed out that the exchange has not met its burden to demonstrate the fund is designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and to protect investors and the public interest. Although proposals of Bitcoin spot ETPs have never been approved by the SEC, and such products are not available in the US market, they do exist in the European market. By investigating the prices of ETPs traded in the European market, one could gain a good insight into whether fraudulent and manipulative acts are possible. To investigate whether the SEC's concerns of fraudulent and manipulative acts are justifiable, this article will compare the historic prices of 3 European-listed ETPs and the Bitcoin spot price history from 18 exchanges to see if there are any significant price disparities that could induce market manipulation. The SEC's primary concerns. There were 2 major concerns raised by the SEC from a technical perspective towards BZX. In Africa, Paxful, as well as Friends cryptocurrency exchange, which uses an off-the-shelf third-party solution. Now we're told Cointelegraph that its exchange will be as decentralized as possible, and knows that while competition may be tough, the demand for Bitcoin is so large in Senegal that it doesn't matter how many exchanges you make. Indeed, while the sub-Saharan country of about 17 million people is familiar with Bitcoin, it's hardly up to speed with the digital currency. Plus, Nauer says literacy rates are very low, one of the biggest barriers to adoption. Furthermore, while the national language is officially French, the majority of Senegalese speak Wolof, a local language. There are sparse Bitcoin educational resources in Wolof. Nauru, therefore, started a YouTube channel in Wolof to educate his countrymen about Bitcoin. For vendors, the Bitcoin quest began in Les Almadies, a wealthy, expat area of Dakar, where foreign travelers are common and literacy rates are high. He's approached beach bars, restaurants and barber shops, happy to come day or night, if there is ever a problem with BitPay or Lightning terminals. In the restaurant Prinha, see picture, the Bitcoin sign is loud and proud. The owner of the establishment, Rene, is a surf coach and free thinker who was open to the idea of Bitcoin. Why not? They accepted their first payment in Bitcoin on February 24, having set up a Pay server earlier in the month. Nonetheless, volatility in the Bitcoin price and education continue to hamper Nauru's orange-pilling efforts. It's for that reason that he advises vendors to include a 10% markup for Bitcoin payments. Equally, he spends considerable amounts of time sitting down with retailers going over Bitcoin before introducing them to the Bitcoin Layer 2 solution, Lightning. Regarding education, it's simply not time-effective to attempt to equip taxi drivers or street sellers with QR codes and BTC Pay servers. For the self-employed hustlers, a conversation and a mention of the YouTube channel is a useful start. Instead, Nauru is targeting restaurant owners, business people, surf schools and established commerce. It's a small but vital step towards further Bitcoin recognition in the country. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.